Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to do the come here finger wave properly. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. So if you want to do the finger wave that I'm talking about, which is sort of called the come here finger wave, because it is a finger wave that is designed to signal to someone to come here. It's really easy to do, and I'll show you and tell you exactly how to do it. There is a basic simplicity to it, and I'm going to break it down into two different versions of it, and you can sort of choose whichever version you want to. So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to get your index finger and put your index finger up. Okay, so as you can see, I have my index finger pointed up, okay? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the top of your hand and you're gonna face the top of your hand to someone else. So I have my index finger or my pointer finger upwards, and the top of my hand is basically facing the person that I wanna signal the come here finger wave to, okay? Now, essentially what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my finger, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do. Just let me get into better lighting. I'm gonna do it this, and now you're looking at the side of my hand. So I'm gonna do one of two versions. The first version is taking my finger and just keeping my finger straight and just waving it backwards towards me like this, just like that. And when I turn it, that's the top of my hand, and I do the come here finger wave. It's going to look like this. It's saying come here, like that. Very simple. That's the first version. The second version is essentially you're going to be keeping this part of your finger relatively stiff, but you're going to be bending the other parts like this. So it's going to look like that. I'm just holding it to show you that it's stiff, that it's kept stiff like that. So you can see this part is stiff, and I'm bending the other parts like this, just like that, okay? And I can do it without holding my finger, obviously, just like that. Okay? And when I turn the top of my hand facing outward towards the person, it's going to look like this. Now, there is one last thing you got to do, and I'm just going to move my seat a little bit back so I get more space over here. And I guess the lighting actually looks a lot better like that, so that's even better. But anyways, I'm not going to keep my hand straight up like this. I'm going to angle it down. So this is the top of my hand, right? And it's facing the person, but I'm going to angle it so that the finger is pointing at them roughly. So now my finger is pointing at them, and I'm either going to do the first version, which is like that, okay? Or the second version, which is like that. And what that does is that points the finger at the person and says to them, come here. Just like that. Really simple. Really easy to do. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. And yeah, just make sure you're following the way that the hand is set up properly. The index finger is pointing up, or otherwise known as the pointer finger pointing up. Top of my hand facing the person, and you're going to angle it so that the finger is pointing at the person. So essentially the palm of your hand is basically in the air, facing up roughly, give or take. And that's when you're going to do the wave, whichever version of it you want to do. It's that simple. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I've got nothing else to say, so we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.